So, Peanut, have you realised that this messing around with your mood is no way to live? It's time to quit, right? Well, pay attention, and I'll show you how to get out of the low mood trap. First of all, you need to know that there are some things you can expect to experience when you try to give up. They're called withdrawal symptoms. You might feel irritable, aggressive, restless, or like you can't think straight. Most of these will be over in 4 weeks, but the going can be tough. If you want to stop smoking permanently, it's all about changing your thoughts, beliefs, and behaviours. But it's really hard to be strong when you feel absolutely miserable. Basically, going cold turkey is the hardest way to quit. After all, your brain is now dependent on nicotine. The reason you can feel so awful when you go cold turkey is that you need the nicotine to feel normal, but you definitely don't want to have to inhale all the carbon monoxide, tars, chemicals, and gases in order to get it. It's make or break. Get the nicotine, but not the nasties. Can I let you in on a secret? There is a different way to get nicotine, one that is safe and effective. It's called Nicotine Replacement Therapy, or NRT for short. NRT involves providing nicotine through a patch that sticks to your skin, or through gum or a lozenge that gives nicotine through the skin in your mouth. It's much slower than getting nicotine from smoking, but if you use the right dose for long enough, it will provide enough nicotine to keep your brain content and prevent the majority of the pain that comes with withdrawal. The trick is to have enough of it for long enough. NRT will give your brain nicotine in a much safer way. The effect in the first 4 weeks minimises withdrawal pain, but 4 weeks is not long enough. It takes 12 weeks of NRT from your last puff for your brain to function in a similar way to before you started to smoke. If you don't use enough NRT, or you stop using it partway through, you're likely to feel withdrawal symptoms. These can make you feel really miserable and make it much more difficult to even think about changing your thoughts, beliefs, and behaviours. Oh, and most importantly, you shouldn't have even a single puff after quitting. If you do, it's not the end of the world, but just remember it takes at least 12 weeks of NRT use without a puff for your brain not to need nicotine anymore.